And we're only 3 months away from the federal government resuming federal student loan payments. Ask yourself, are you ready?
Well, if not, you still have time to prepare yourself. THV 11's Frederick Price shares some helpful advice from a credit counselor.
This fall will mark the end of the long-standing federal student loan payment pause.
I didn't find anybody that could have continued to make their payments opt out of the holiday on making payments to their student loan.
And for the past 3 years, Mark Jones, a credit counselor, tells me that's what millions of Americans have done.
During those months or years when you're not paying on it, the money gets reappropriated to something else. And then when the payments kick back in, you go, oh, now I'm going to struggle to pay.
He says there's still some time to get ahead and prepare your finances. For those with really tight budgets, he says try paying the minimum amount needed to keep your loans from increasing.
Let's aim now for just covering your finance charges, and maybe as you get cost of living increases at your job and maybe a promotion, then that extra needs to start going to the principal on this student loan.
Also start thinking about how to reduce costs and finding ways to increase your income. For example, adjusting the deductions and withholdings on your paycheck.
What we're trying to do is help them equalize the outgo and the income so that they don't have more going out than coming in.
Mark also giving sound advice to people planning to enter undergrad or even grad school. If you do not absolutely need a loan, don't take it. Find other avenues to pay for college.
Live at home if you can. Live in a dorm. Live cheaply. Don't assume you need a new car and an apartment.
Because as we all know, if you have to borrow money to get those fancy amenities, you'll have to pay it back at some point. Frederick Price, THV 11 News.
Frederick, thank you. There is still a chance that the Biden administration's student loan forgiveness program moves forward. Right now, it's caught up in the Supreme Court, but a ruling is expected any day.